Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your name on the Messenger application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the account settings section, tap on it. Click on personal information in the account settings section and tap on a name, which is the first option. So if you want to change either your full or previous name, click on the relevant one, then type it in. And then you will find a save button down below, but right now unfortunately I'm not able to show it to you since I've already changed my name, and you can't change your name on Facebook right now because you have changed it in the last 60 days as the box says, so you won't be able to do it if you are in the same situation as me. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.